This video demonstrates how to position the PVC pull-in tube in a transhumeral socket. First, insert the PVC tube into the inner socket and adjust the angle so that the other end lies flat against the outer socket. Then, screw the inner and outer socket together. Use the magnetic centering aid to determine the exact drilling position for the tube. Mark the dummy for the charging receptacle and mill the shape of the hole. Next, glue the PVC tube in place using an appropriate two-component adhesive such as Ottobock 636K49 SuperGlue. Also apply SuperGlue to the top side of the tube to secure it from both ends. After the adhesive has cured, trim the PVC connection tube flush with the socket surface.